lately, you're a little lonely. But you know on your phone there's a whole world for the girls you could be looking at, homie. It's true, between me and you, it's only $5 and watch what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time. Come on, man, you know I'm a damn good time. Yo, if they're gonna post it, no clothing. Oh my god, so exposed and everything. You might as well see everything. Every inch, never leave, we're growing in. Wait, maybe you should DM, be friends, pretend, a boyfriend, the deep end. She needs men, she needs you. You're
Double kill.
Get out of my mind, I need to focus, I'm wasting my time. You make me feel hopeless, I'm wasting my prime. Fuck it, I'm going to war with my mind. I'm in control, my body and soul. Never again will you ever take hold. I've got a purpose outside of this hole, and I'll turn this feeling into something more. I could change, rearrange my brain. Thoughts and energy push through pain. Loneliness is a passing phase. A better life, it starts today. Once hopeless and broken, now I'm in motion. Just gotta stay focused. Keep moving, keep growing. Never look back, got a new path chosen.
When we are weak, when we are broken, that's when we're left open. In darkness lies all of our flaws that keep us hopeless. Numb our minds and choke us. I'm in control. I'm taking off. I'm climb off this wall. I'm finding what's wrong. My control.
Too much, too often.